So today's the day for a little ritual at the gallery. Today's the day that we're going to replace the roses for democracy. Tamper Evident. Yes, democracy is tampered with, has been tampered with, and is being tampered with. But there's hope. So in the spirit of hope, I'm going to change and put some new roses, even though they're so beautiful when they're like this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, there's something growing out of this one. This is extraordinary. Look at this. Oh my God, what do I do about this? I have a virgin. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is crazy. What am I going to do about that? And there's another one there too. What a surprise. Look at that. Ah. Wow. This changes everything. Now what do? I have my new roses and I don't know what to do with them. Has a little virgin as well, growing under the water. Wow. See? What a beautiful sign of hope. Here's what I decided to do. Remember, this is a Beuysian invocation. Remember, Beuys is the shaman. This is a incredibly beautiful energy here. So what I decided to do is that I'm going to preserve the little stems that have these virgins. So I'm going to cut this sideways. Keep the roses. Continue my installation. Continue to be nourished and pop it right back in. Now this is literally a performance at this point because I'm invoking the powers of Beuys. Plop it back in. Interesting how the ones that have virgin inside the water stayed quite clear. Oh, this one actually has two. See what happens at the end of the exhibition. We're just a month in. Let's see, to the line. Make them nice and even. What a beautiful ritual. This is really amazing. This is like a live work of art. This is like a living installation. Just like life. Love invoking the spirit of Beuys, the spirit of renewal. So there they are, the new roses. The summer solstice, or rather the fall solstice just happened on the 21st or 22nd. Today's the 25th. Oh, look how tall these are. These are beautiful. Taller than the other ones. So here I am invoking the spirit of Beuys. It's like a little prayer for art, for renewal, for the act of love, which is making an art gallery is really an act of love, or running an art gallery. So here it is. This is my gift to the world, to Dallas. Hope for the election, hope for Kamala. Go vote. Or vote for Trump if that's what you want. But just get out there and make your voice heard through direct democracy. All right, bye-bye. This is it for today.